Hello children, today I am going to make a cute Rudolph. So let's start. First, draw an oval to make a face. Draw a slanting line on both the sides. Now we will make the Christmas cap like this. Draw a circle at the tip. Now draw a slanting line on both the sides to make the horns. Now draw the curves like this. To make the ears, draw a leaf shape below the cap on both the sides. Make two circles for the eyes. Draw the upside down triangle for nose and make a cute smile. Now draw an oval to make his tummy. Now make the neck with two slanting lines and join to its body. Now to make the leg, draw a line going straight down and make a small curve and go up straight and join it to the body. Now make another one like this. Now make the back leg in the same way. Make the tail with zigzag line going up and come back with small curve. Now make his mouth with an oval. Trace the drawing with black sketch pen and let's color it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, keep watching, keep learning and keep practicing. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.